That's you, Tagan, thank you. Nice.
I was near uni, wasn't I?
Yeah.
I've just got pain on my right shoulder. I can get it on face like a headache.
If you're doing that back alphabet, please.
Getting Edna.
Did someone's tongue just ground?
No.
I heard that before you said it, yeah.
I did as well.
Yeah. I haven't come across an Edna before, definitely Edward.
Do you get an age with her?
So now I was with lady.
Yeah. Do you get a parson with her?
She's got something to do with a man with her. I don't know if she lost her man. She's here and she's sad. I'm not quite sure.
Right.
There's Edna. Can't read it now.
I mean, you can feel the sea vibrating.
No, but I just feel like there's something really near here. Either behind us or quite close.
It's getting colder there.
What's that again?
Oh, I'm getting really cold. It's really dropping.
There is over here, it is problem.
It is indeed here.
Some ice.
It wouldn't drop that quick outside in the church.
One of the things, a friend of mine, she had a thermal. We got all the actual readings right at the beginning. And then goes, as the actual night went by, it was getting colder and colder. It was absolutely freezing. At the end of the night, she did a thermal reading, and it was the exact same temperature as what it was when we came in. That was amazing.